Hey, J-Bros popping in here. Yeah, this is kind of the final hurrah to the 1890s remodel house. I figured I'd pop in here. Renters move-in day is today. They've already started moving stuff in, but I had some minor details to put in. But if I figure I'd give you a little walk around. So, kitchen turned out pretty good. Here's the pantry that we ended up doing. Switch right here. Yeah, so that'll really be good for, all canned goods. Threw in these shelves here. Little decor. Yeah, sink trays in here. We just got a little bit of floor to clean up here. But yeah, so this is the pantry. Good size. Should be able to store a bunch of fun stuff. Yeah, fridge, whatever, turned out good. Oh, I still have some pop left in there that I need to take away. This is the mudroom, all window wrapped, door wrapped, stuff like that. I'm short a light bulb for the outside, so I need to do that. But this is kind of the laundry, new machines, a couple shelves there. So this should be nice. I brought some siding in here because I have a few chunks to throw up, and it was just been bitterly cold here. So I made those a little bit more pliable. But as you can see, like with the plywood walls, my mom came in and did some really nice work on the seams up there. If a guy would have had, another week or two to really apply themselves on these plywood walls, I tell you what, you wouldn't even see half of these imperfections. Yeah, there's the ceiling up there. They wanted a ceiling fan, so we went that route, dropped that in there for them. I see, maybe that's my wife knocking on the door. Oh, she's bringing in the extra trim, I bet. Yep, she's bringing in the extra trim. So she's bringing in the trim, but this is kind of what I would call the master. But being it's just two people renting here, I think they're going to do the master upstairs where the tub is. But I don't know if you remember this room. These seams were really bad. My mom fixed those up nice. Yeah, see how these gaps are like that? We could have easily taken the extra time to caulk these up and then paint those. Kyle, my neighbor, he had come in and caulked those corners up. And you can see how nice these windows turned out trim-wise. He caulked that up and painted that. But I think that turned out really nice. And here's kind of the closet. I won't show too much of their stuff, but you could see where these edges could have been touched up. But, they're okay with how it is. They kind of liked the cabin rustic feel. So that's where that's at. I'll shoot you upstairs. And I'll just reiterate, too, how nice the block out and the ceilings turned out. Just a really sleek, comfortable feel. There's the bench I got. The cold air returns to max pull from upstairs. Yeah, so somebody could do whatever they want. I mean, this is the space from, you can go back and look at some of my other videos and how it was laid out before. And maybe I can go through and do a little slideshow of the original photos for you if you haven't seen any of those. I got a couple sticks of trim to do here. We got that light up there. I'll get up higher so you can kind of see that. My mom was adamant to fix these seams here that were pretty big, kind of like that. But like I said, we got that done here. That's trimmed out. This is trimmed out here. And we probably would have changed this to more of a, maybe a mood light or something. But, at this point, it turned out so good. This is the room that they're going to use as the master. And there's that light up there. Window trimming. I think that turned out really nice. This is kind of how we went with shelves for a walk-in. That'll store a lot of fun stuff. Yeah. Got that. Bathroom here, which you guys have already seen, but that's kind of what we're looking at. So there's that. This is the other bedroom. That's kind of what we're dealing with here. Good space. I dropped a shelf in over there they could add. add more if they want, take more out, whatever. I did throw in the other room because gentleman's big into bow hunting. So I just add him a couple more shelves, and obviously, you know, he can add or subtract more shelves. But like I said, another window trimmed out, turned out good. Yeah, so this is kind of the 1890s remodel and where we got it to and where it's at now. And I think it turned out amazing in my personal opinion. And I actually started on this project about middle of February and had just worked here off and on since then. So almost a year to do this. But the bulk of the work really, I would say, took place maybe around, let's say, kind of like May, June. But yeah, this is where we're at. The wife is going to do a finish cleaning on the floor. I'm going to do the trim in that one room there, but I think it turned out overall. This is the last stuff we got to do here that I'll be hauling out today. So yeah, just wanted to throw a little video together on the last hurrah. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.